Hello and welcome to the Spartan Machinery, where we don't just follow industry trends, we set them. The construction industry is evolving faster than ever before, and so are the demands for precision, speed, efficiency, and automation. That's where we come in. Spartan is proud to introduce a new era of intelligent, fully automatic block-making machines, crafted with cutting-edge hydraulic pressure systems, EN8 hardened steel cylinders, high RPM vibration motors, and 7-inch Siemens PLC touchscreens. Let's talk numbers. Up to 21 bricks per stroke. Over 40,000 bricks per shift. Up to 80% production efficiency. Customized solutions for every plant size and layout. But Spartan is more than technical specs. We're a brand that has been awarded as Best Emerging Exporter in Machinery and Tools, Best Construction Machinery and Equipment Company in 2022. Our commitment doesn't end with machine delivery. We offer complete installation, operator training, custom design, lifetime service and consultation, with a presence in countries like UAE, Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and more. We're not just leading in India. We're building the world.